Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that AWE token. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, AWE network is an infrastructure project building a scalable engine for AI driven autonomous worlds where thousands of AI agents can interact and collaborate. Purpose: it solves the challenge of coordinating large scale AI agents integrations with persistent digital words. Technology: its core is the autonomous words engine AWE, a modular framework using parallel processing and dependency management for scalability. Token role: the AWE token serves as the governance token for the ecosystem used for community decision making. AWE project institution rating is 4 and this project audited by Slowmist. AWE token total supply is 1.94 billion and circulating supply is also 1.49 billion. AWE token is listed on popular centralized exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, KuCoin and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you in this project, up to 90% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.